Reese, Gucci, Hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want.
Hello to my beautiful internet friends. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the fro is froing. I just took out my mini twist because I'm about to install some really cute curly clip-ins. If you want to learn how to install some curly clip-ins, then keep watching. Huge shout out to Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video.
So let's get into this unboxing. When you order your Curlsqueen clip-ins, it also comes with these really nice essentials, such as this cute reflective detangling brush. This is really good if you love to use detangling brushes in the shower for your curls. It also comes with extra clips and a double-sided satin lined scarf or bonnet, I guess. Oh, I love this so much. And here is the actual package that the hair comes in, which is also satin. And here's the hair.
Okay, so I got the 20-inch 3C4A kinky afro curly clip-ins, and I'm super excited. This is a natural black with medium brown highlights. I don't play around with color too much, so when I do, it's kind of a big deal. I didn't know there would be so much brown highlights, but I think it'll be okay. Make sure you go check out the site, shop around, see which one suits you best. And I also love that you can color customize these by picking out if you want an ombre, if you want highlights, the tones, the textures, all of that. So it's very versatile and no set of clip-ins is the same. For my installation today, I will be doing the flip over method, which if you don't know, the flip over method is when you braid your hair in the back, you install your clip-ins and you have a little bit of your own hair left out so that you can flip over your hair over the clip-ins to blend it well together. And then there's also a different method involving a crochet hook where you can actually crochet some of the clip-in hair at the roots of your hair braided down. So whichever method works best for you, but today I'm definitely doing the flip over method because that is chef's kiss for me. It's quick and it's fast and easy to install that way. So I did get 10 pieces of curly clip-ins, and that should be more than enough to cover my entire head. No gaps, no peeking through the blinds, none of that. We should be good to go because these bundles are full and you have 10 of them. So it's definitely another great form of a protection style so you can grow out your hair. And yeah, it's all about what we doing on this channel. So you have like two big ones for the back. You then have your next size up, which is two medium large pieces, I guess I would say. And then you have two medium pieces, like small medium. These are both like medium, but one is like large medium and one is small medium. And then you have 4 smaller pieces of the curly clip-ins for the top base of your head. All right, now I'm going to show you how to prep the hair and how to style it.
First order of business is to dye this hair. Now, I did mention that this hair was a natural black with brown highlights. However, I felt that it had too much brown highlights where it just kind of looked like brown, and I didn't want it to not match with my hair completely, so I just grabbed some semi-permanent jet black dye from Adore, and I am dyeing this hair, but I'm not dyeing it completely black. I'm going to leave some curly pieces out that are brown so it can be more highlight brown, I guess you could say, in my opinion. I just had a specific idea in mind that I was going for, and I'm hoping to achieve this by dyeing it. So yeah, I dyed most of this hair black and then left out a couple of those brown pieces. Maybe I could have left out smaller pieces of brown, but I actually like the way that this turned out. So I'm just wrapping the portions of dyed hair in foil. I don't know if you're only supposed to do that with bleach or what, but I saw it on you know, YouTube videos and people going to the salon, so I just thought that's what you're supposed to do. But also I wanted to make sure that I didn't touch the brown pieces because I do want those to stay brown as my highlight pieces. So I just followed the directions on the dye bottle and applied some heat from a blow dryer onto it for like a couple minutes, maybe like 2 or 3, and then I set it to the side and repeat that same step on the rest of all of the curly clip-ins. Once I'm done with the dyeing process, I just set it on aside to let it marinate, and I'm working on my parting spaces. So this time around, I'm doing a U-shaped part in the front, and then I'm sectioning off the sides of my hair on the left and the right in the very front, and I'm just going to twist this down just to get it out the way. Once that's done, I'm just flat twisting the rest of my hair straight back. Pro tip, guys, I highly recommend that you do this on stretched hair. So you can either do this on a braid out that you've done the night before, or on blow dried hair with a comb nozzle attachment if you are not afraid of heat and if you are not afraid of using combs.
I have finished flat twisting my hair, and I really recommend doing this on stretched hair or on freshly washed hair. So I have this front twist where my middle and side parts will be, and then I did some of my front hair on the side, on both sides, so that way I can have the front as my leave out.
Then what you want to do is you want to braid your flat twists together, and you want to pin them at the back of your head against each other as flat as possible.
Now I'm left with these three looking like a Teletubby. So it's okay, we finna look cute in a second. Now I'm gonna rinse the dye out of the hair. Hopefully it gives highlights, hopefully it's cute, and hopefully it blends better.
Make sure to shampoo the hair as you're rinsing the dye out as well, just so you can really get all of any residue out the way and it doesn't get on your clothes or stain you in any way possible. You also want to make sure you shampoo the hair because you want it to be clean after shipping and processing and handling by others. This hair did really well with shampooing and conditioning. It wasn't frizzy afterwards. It remained and retained its curly shape, and it wasn't dry or brittle afterwards either. Alright, now for the fun part where all the magic happens. I'm taking the biggest clip in at the back of my head, the very back of my head, like the base of my head. It's underneath where I folded my two braids basically. And I clip those in. And then I take the second biggest one and I clip it onto the braid. I look in the mirror every now and again to see how it's coming along, to see the layering and stacking process, but really it's a bit self-explanatory. You can just kind of watch and see what I'm doing here and feel your way around. You want to leave enough space in between each clip-in that they're not too close together, so you have enough clip-ins to make it to the top, but you also don't want too big a space so that there's no gappage in between the clip-ins, because you don't want there to be your hair peeking through the clip-ins. So make sure you give it just the right amount of space, not too big or not too far apart I should say, and not too small either. Okay, and this is truly my favorite part, not only because I'm almost done, but also because this is where the blending part comes together. So I'm undoing those twists that I had made when I parted my sections, and I have this really cute twist out now, so I kind of like don't want to ruin that, but we have to because that's not the texture that we're going for. I'm taking the product Talie Waheed Curl Cream, and I'm using that as my leave-in conditioner that's going to really set my curls and make them pop and make them defined and keep them moisturized. I love this product. I need to use this on a wash and go because I just know it's gonna hold, and I also use this product sometimes to lay my edges back when I don't feel like using super hard edge control. Like, this product is really good and versatile, but we're not talking about this product right now. This is what I did use to match and blend the hair, however. Also spritzed my leave out with water to get that more defined look and set everything in place. And the curly clip-ins are still a bit damp from the washing and conditioning, even though I blow dried it, but I didn't fully blow dry it and I wanted it that way so it can match better. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some foam mousse and place this on the back end of my hair where the curly clip-ins are. I could have took some gel if I was to do a wash and go, but the foam did just as fine, and I wanted something a bit more lightweight because I knew I was going to pick through it a bit and give it some more volume. After that, I just took my blow dryer with my diffuser attachment, just like I would basically if I'm doing a wash and go. That's basically what I'm doing with the curly clip-ins.
Alright guys, so here are my results, and this is my hair, and you can't tell me otherwise. Period. Honestly, I think I would cut like a bit of layers in here, not like a lot, but like just a little off the bottom, you know what I mean? So yeah, these clip-ins are super versatile. Also, these clip-ins do last you a really long time. Let me give you guys a quick 360, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like with a side part, because I'm a side part baddie, okay? Middle part is for people who like to play it safe. Sorry. You kind of just have to play around with the parting section. Now let me take some edge control, and I'm just gonna do a little. I'm not a big baby hair girly, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. Now you can do whatever you want with your edges. But as for me in my house, y'all know the lyrics. Y'all know the lines. Where's the line? What we gonna do? We will serve the Lord, period. Yeah. Come on, get into this hairline. Like, where's the clip-in? Okay, that's what I thought. Okay guys, and once again, these are the curly clip-ins by Curlsqueen in 20 inches afro kinky 3C4A. If you want to experiment with different curl textures that are not naturally your own, that is also fine. I have a previous video with Curlsqueen actually doing one with water jerry 3C4A curly hair right over here, so you guys can go watch that video too if you'd like. Make sure you guys go shop the link in the description box down below so you can get your hands on your clip-ins today. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. Leave a comment down below letting me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. As always, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.